Good morning, third grade. Today we are on lesson 14. It starts on page 82. First things first, let's get our name on top of our paper. Today we are once again looking at multiples with our power up k. So today we're circling multiples of 4. So if you want to do it the counting way, you're just going to 1, 2, 3, 4, circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle. All right? Look again for the patterns. Find any patterns that you can in that chart. When you're done with the top, go ahead and get going on the mental math and the problem of the day. Once again, that's on page 82. All right, press pause. When you're done, press play again. All right, let's count those multiples of 4. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, 100. Notice this looks really similar to when we did the multiples of 2. When we did the multiples of 2, this entire row was filled, column. This column was filled, this one was filled, this one was filled, this one was filled. Now, every other one in those columns are filled because we're counting by 4s, not 2s. Excellent. Let's look at our mental math. A says 300 plus 400. Well, I know 3 plus 4 is 7, so 300 plus 400 is 700. All right? B says 600 plus 300. What's 6 plus 3? 9. So 600 plus 300 would be 900. C says 250 plus 300. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 stays at 5. And 2 plus 3 is 5. So we get 550. D says 63 plus 29. 3 plus 9 is 12. 1 goes up. 2 comes down. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, so we get 92. E says 28 plus 49. This is 1 less than 50. I know 28 plus 50 would be 78, so 1 less than that's going to be 77. But let's just do it out. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 goes up, 7 comes down. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 more is 7, so I get 77. F. 2 dimes and 1 nickel have the same value as what coin? 2 dimes, well, each dime's worth 10, so 10 plus 10. And 1 nickel, well, nickels are worth 5, so we get 10 plus 10 plus 5. We get 25. It says that is the same value as what coin? What coin is worth 25 cents? Well, a quarter. So for the letter F, you would just write quarter. G says, how many quarters equal $1? Well, 100 cents are in a dollar. We got 25 cents in a quarter. Quarter, you always think of how many quarters are there in a basketball game? 4, right? So quarter means 4. How many quarts are in a gallon? 4. So there are 4 quarters in a dollar. You could also figure that out because 25 plus 25 is 50, plus another 25 is 75, plus another 25 is 100. So that was 25, 50, 75, 100 gives us 4 quarters in a dollar. Then H, if 1 pencil costs 20 cents, how much do 2 pencils cost? Well, 1 pencil costs 20 cents. The second one's also going to cost 20 cents, so 20 plus 20 is 40, so we get 40 cents. Don't forget your label there. You can write your little cent sign. Our problem of the day says 12 months after February is February. Just like yesterday, we were talking about 12 months after January is still January. 12 months after February is still February. 24 months after February is February again, because 12 plus 12 is 24. On February 14th, Paloma's sister was 22 months old. In what month was Paloma's sister born? Well, 24 months after February would be 24. Would still be February. So we need to go backwards 2 months. All right, so let's go backwards 1 to January, and then what comes before January? December. So she was born in December. Go ahead, circle that answer when you're done. You are all powered up and ready to go for lesson 14. Go ahead and flip it over. Keep your math book open. We're on page 83. We'll go over subtracting 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Let me get up to my whiteboard and we'll get going on our examples. Today we're on math lesson 14. Let's start with our objectives. Today you will learn how to subtract 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. All right, example 1 we're starting with. We got 85 minus 32. When we look at this one, we're going to start, same as we did with our addition, we're going to start with our ones column. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 I get 3. 8 minus 3 I get 5, so I get 53 as my answer. Piece of cake. All right? Let's look at the next one. 5 minus 3, 365 minus 123. In your sheet, I do not have a line underneath that problem. Make sure you add that in, just like I have here. All right? Then go 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 242. Then, go into example 3. Example 3 says 36 plus W equals 87. Well, that's a missing number in an addition sentence, so to find the answer, we subtract. So let's go 87 minus 36. 7 minus 6, I get 1. And then 8 minus 3, I get 5. So I get W equals 51. Awesome, we're flying today. Let's go to example 4. Example 4, we've got another missing addend. So we've got M plus 17 equals 49. So to find the answer, we subtract. So let's do 49 minus 17. 9 minus 7, we get 2. 4 minus 1, we get 3. So we get M equals 32. Excellent. Let's go into our lesson practice. Our lesson practice is on page 85. So page 85 here, in the middle of your book, you'll see your lesson practice. Let's get going on letter A first. It says 485 minus 242. Go ahead and write that super neat by the A on your lesson practice. Make sure that you put ones on top of ones, tens on top of tens, hundreds on top of hundreds. When you do this, let's start with our ones column. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Don't forget your dollar sign. You get $243. B says 56 minus 33. It's dollars, so make sure you got your dollar signs there. 56 minus 33. Sorry, let's see if my camera gets focuses. There we go. All right. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we get $23. Excellent. C says subtract 53 from 97. So the 97 actually has to go first because we got to subtract 53 from it. So 97 minus 53. Go ahead and do that one by yourself. Hopefully you did 7 minus 3 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So you get 44. D says subtract 23 from 54. So same thing, 54 goes first. Then subtract 23. Go ahead and do that one yourself. Hopefully you said 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3, so I get 31. Let's go on to E. E says 24 plus Q equals 65. Well, we've got a missing addend, so go ahead and flip that into a subtraction sentence. So do 65 minus 24. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we get Q is going to equal that 41. Excellent. Go ahead and skip F and G. So by the F there, you can just go like that. So that means Mrs. Mackey said skip it. G, go ahead and skip it. Then for H says, this is our last one, y plus 45 equals 99. So y plus 45 equals 99. Missing number in addition sentence, so to find the answer, we're going to subtract. So let's do 99 minus 45. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5, so we get 54 equals y. Excellent. Make sure that you tuck this back in your Tuesday folder so you can get an easy 10 points. Go ahead and take out your math sheet, and we're going to go ahead and get going on a whole bunch of those problems. Let's get after some problems for lesson 14. First things first, make sure your name's on top of your paper. Lesson 14, we're on page 85. Remember, you can always find it here, what page number we're on. Number 1 says the surf shop had 42 surfboards. The shop received a shipment with 17 more. How many surfboards were at the surf shop? So they had 42. They got 17 more. Sounds like an addition problem. So for number 1, let's do 17. Sorry, let's start with 42. 42 plus 17 . 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we get 59 surfboards. Make sure you got that label there. That's an R in the middle, sorry, it's kind of sloppy. All right, number 2. Pause video if you're not done with this one. Machiko saw 4 grasshoppers in her backyard on Monday. On Tuesday, she saw some more grasshoppers. Does it tell us how many? No, it just says there were some more. She saw a total of 11 grasshoppers on those 2 days. How many grasshoppers did she see on Tuesday? Okay, so whatever she saw on Monday plus what she saw on Tuesday is going to equal 11. Well, we know that on Monday she saw 4. Plus, we need to know how many she saw on Tuesday is going to get to be 11. Missing number in addition sentence, to find the answer, we subtract. So 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. So we get 7 grasshoppers, right? Yep, grasshoppers. Excellent. I'm going on to number 5. Number 5 says subtract 713 from 824. So our bigger numbers got to go first. So what's bigger, 713 or 824? 824. So 824 goes first. Minus 713. All right, then just subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So we get 111. Flipping it on over, let's go to 23. '23 says 75 plus t equals 87. Get it copied on my paper. Missing number in an addition sentence, to find the answer, I subtract. So 87 minus 75. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. So I get t equals 12. '27. When you add 4 even numbers, will the sum be even or odd? Explain why and give several examples to support your answer. Let's take some even numbers. 4 even numbers. Let's start with 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? Even, 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 even. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus another 2 is 6, plus another 2 is 8. Is 8 even or odd? Even. Let's go again with 4. Let's use some 4s in there. 2 plus 4 plus 4. Let's go plus 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 2 is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. So it's still even. It's always going to be even because the sum of two even numbers is always even. I'll write that neater in this box. Even because the sum of even numbers is always even. I'll get that real close for you. All right. Go ahead, take a little bit, make sure you got that one written down. Awesome, let's go on to our last problem for today, number 28. If you're still not done, pause it right here. Number 28 says, a piano has 36 black keys and 52 white keys. Does a piano have more black keys or white keys? Well, it's got 36 black keys, 52 white keys. So which is more, 36 or 52? 52, so has more white keys. How many keys does a piano have altogether? We gotta do 36 plus 52. Six plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. So we get 88 keys. So we do both of those answers over here. More white keys. And then we need 88 keys total. Awesome. Good luck on the rest of your work today. If you've got any problems, make sure you're asking at our 1 o'clock Zoom call so I can help you then.